welcome to a new video. Tonight we're at Wayne County Speedway for actually the first time this year. They started back in July, so they got a late start on their season. We came to this track 2 or 3 nights last year and had mixed results with it. The first night we almost won one of the non-wing classes. Second night we didn't do well at all, and then the third night we actually won A class. So we've had kind of a mixed set of results here at this place, but we're glad to be back. It's a nice facility right in the middle of a cornfield, so it's kind of like a Field of Dreams type vibe for racing. So it's a neat place to visit if you get the chance, and it puts on fairly decent racing as well. So we're glad to be back here for tonight. We're running both non-wing classes tonight. Outlaw non-wing will be starting 4th in the heat race, and stock non-wing will be starting 8th. So definitely got our work cut out for us in the stock non-wing heat race, and hopefully I can maintain 4th or move forward just a little bit for the outlaw non-wing as well. So you'll see outlaw non-wing first, and then we'll turn right around and do stock non-wing, and then I'll be back with you guys after heat races. Pretty decent runs for us in those heat races right there. Unfortunately, the circumstances didn't quite work out for us. Started 4th in the outlaw non-wing and made my way to 3rd. I'm pretty sure the top 2 definitely had outlaw engines because they just ran away, given I didn't have the setup quite as spot on as I would have liked, but it was definitely still close. And my dad told me I had a pretty good gap on 4th, so relatively happy with that one. And then started 8th in the stock non-wing and was able to find my way up to 6th. And really, car was set up really well, rolling the bottom good, and I could drive it hard on the top too. So car was set up really good, but just didn't really have the room to make those passes. When the track's as narrow as it is and you get 2 cars running side by side like those 2 were, kind of just traps you where you are for the rest of the race. And especially it only being an 8-lap heat race definitely didn't help matters either. So only made it up to 6th in that one, but there's no B mains tonight, so I'll be back with you guys as soon as I find out what the lineups are for the features. Alright guys, so we're just about to go out for the Outlaw Non-Wing feature right here. It's going to be 20 laps. We start 7th, Definitely some good outlaw cars up there, so hopefully we can maintain where we are, maybe even pick off a couple, but I'd definitely be happy with a solid top 10 right here, so hopefully we can keep it up there. The cushion's gotten pretty heavy at this point. It's definitely to the point where it's turning a lot of cars and tossing the front end, so I didn't tighten up too much in my side bite for that. Like I said in the last race, the last heat race, I was still rolling the bottom just as good as I was rolling the top, I felt like, so I don't feel like I need to tighten up too much more to keep up with the track right here. So that's what we're going with, and hopefully we can keep it up there, like I said. good night for us here at Wayne County Speedway. Like I said earlier, went 7th to 6th in the Outlaw non-wing, and then actually ended up getting credit for 5th. So really good run for us there, especially with the quality Outlaw cars that we were racing with. And then stock non-wing, started all the way back in 14th. Had to miss a couple wrecks along the way, and I actually missed the race on the GoPro, so I'm really sorry about that because it was an exciting one. I really wish I had it on the camera for you guys, but I didn't get the camera turned on before we went out, so I'm really sorry about that. But started 14th, missed a few wrecks, passed some cars, and ended up 3rd in that one. So a really good night for us here. Happy we could make the trip and then cut our trip in half to Indiana tomorrow. We're going to Circus City Speedway tomorrow for a 1,000 to win Outlaw non-wing show, and we'll run stock non-wing with that. So pretty busy weekend here, Friday and Saturday night, and lots of traveling, so we're staying busy on the road here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I have to say a big thanks to Nathan Benson Motorsports, G-Force Chassis, Porter Steel Buildings, DDI Fabrication, Sure-Built Suspensions, Advantech Dyno Services, and AFD Graphics for everything that all of them do to help us out with this deal and keep us on the road. Thanks to all of you guys for following along with the channel. It really means a ton to me, and I promise I'll get to sit down and edit some videos for you guys soon. Also, if there's anything you would like to see on this channel, let me know in the comments down below. I'm pretty backed up on videos right now, but if you leave me a suggestion, hopefully I can get to it eventually. So if there's anything you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. But thank you all for following along. If you're new here and you liked it, be sure to subscribe to see more. But thank you all for following along, and I'll see you tomorrow for Circus City Speedway.